This video will show you how to enroll in eStatements, a service that allows you to receive your account statements in electronic form. First, hover over Info Center. Then click eStatement Options. Next, click this button to indicate your wish to receive your statements electronically instead of through the mail. If you ever wish to receive paper statements again, you can do so by canceling your eStatement enrollment. This can be done by returning to this page and selecting the option to cancel, which will appear once you're enrolled in eStatements. Next, verify the email address to which you'd like us to send the notification informing you that your eStatement is ready to view in online banking. If you receive monthly statements, this notice will be sent to you monthly. If you receive quarterly statements, it will be sent on a quarterly basis. Lastly, click Accept. To view your eStatements, hover over My Documents, then click Go to eStatements. As you saw in this video, enrolling in eStatements is quick and easy.